Careful. Careful, Jeff. You have to hold it on the bottom, that way he doesn't bite you.
He won't bite him.
He used the word. That made him scared.
He won't bite you on there, Josh. You're okay.
Just hold it with both hands.
Yeah, use 2 hands.
On the other side, too.
At least if he drops him, the bird will fly.
Are you doing a recording?
Yeah.
Oh. See, he don't bite. I haven't found it yet.
Got the birdie?
Ah!
Well, there goes the birdie.
Did you do this?
Yep. Oh, he hit the wall.
Oh. We should call him the greatest American hero.
He's not the greatest flyer, is he?
No, he don't like to fly. He don't like to come out of his cage.
He doesn't even come out anymore, huh?
No. Daisy. He doesn't know how to go to people.
Put it in my hair.
No, don't put it in his hair.
Get stuck.
See, he don't like grandma.
Yeah.
Pretty birdie. Pretty birdie.
We don't bite. Hey, this.